Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's doing good. Just a little jaunt out on a Sunday and to the next town. So it's about, I don't know, 5 miles from my house. Bamboo GT seem to do it fine, even up a massive hill. We'll go back down that hill and I'll show you how big it is. It's about 25% gradient, so it's pretty steep. And it did zap the energy out, but then obviously on the way back I'll get some regen. Note to self: driveways are a complete bastard, especially with pricks that like just literally drive out into the road without even fucking looking at the path. Pretty much almost went over a bonnet of a car, although luckily he stopped and so did I and run it off, but damn. So calm down a little bit now, but Jesus. If I was a bike, they still wouldn't have stopped. So just because I'm on a skateboard doesn't make it any different, or a kid's buggy or anything like that. They pull straight out onto the road without a care or consideration for anyone else. So yeah, a bit pissed about that, but never mind.
Yo.